According to YouTube, 87% of you aren't subscribed. If you want to help me reach 1,000 subs by the end of this year, make sure to hit that sub button. I appreciate you watching and enjoy the video. Hey everyone, welcome back to part 4. So if you've been checking my videos recently, I've not uploaded in like the past 2 to 3 days. If you check the Discord, if you're in the Discord, you probably know why, because I said it. But it doesn't matter. We're gonna get right back into things. And if you want to join the Discord, it'll be in the description, of course, like always, in the pinned comments. So if you want to join, do that. And we're pretty close to 150 subscribers. We're currently at 130-ish. So yeah, that's cool. So today we're gonna want to do a few things. So we just want to add some more effects, events, and fix something that I forgot to do, or that I did not notice until I was testing just a bit ago. So like, firstly, let's go in here and go up to one of the events. It's which one is it? It's grow. I accidentally made it so it when it was doing the grow event, it actually made it shrink. So let's see, it's event wait, no, it's event number 4. If you come down here, go to this part to the tween and change the minus to a plus, so the plate will actually grow instead of shrinking. I did not notice that until like a bit later. Alright, so now we're gonna add some more effects to the event. So every time a event plays, we're gonna use this sound right here. I'm gonna put the sound ID in the description so you can copy and paste it, or you can just copy it from the video. Either one works. So we're just gonna take this alarms. We'll put it in server storage. So server storage is set. Put it under assets. Now we're gonna do this, and every time a event goes off, we're gonna do this. So we're just gonna clone the sound. Local sound equals, oh, it's an assets dot alarm clone, and we're gonna make the distance a lot, like pretty high, so you can hear it. That's what it sounds like. And then we're gonna put the sound parent is equal to game.workspace sound, and then you want to actually play the sound, and then game.debris. Oops. Yeah, there you go. Add item, sound, and then 0 point. I'm gonna put the exact time. So basically, we're just cloning the sound. Oops. We're just cloning the sound, and then we're just removing it with game.debris.add item, and then it will remove it after it's done playing. What else do we need to do? Okay, so we need to add some effects to the thing. So when they call a plate, we need to actually make some effects. So let's do we're gonna use what's it called, selection box. So local instance. Actually, we should do probably make a function maybe. So let's do a function, local function select select box, and then we're gonna do plate, and then we're gonna instance a new thing. So select instance dot new selection box. Then we're gonna parent that to the plate. So when you want to call, we're gonna have to call this function down here and all the events that changes the plate. So all you would do is select box and then the plate, and then we can just copy this code and paste it into the rest. We can we're gonna do more events this video. We're gonna try to do like some player events too, to mix it up a bit, and maybe some more plate events. We'll see how much we can get done. So let's go ahead and do this real quick. Just put this in all of these. There we go. And now we're gonna adorn, or however you pronounce it, to the plate, so it actually shows. If you don't do it, it won't show. So, and then we're gonna do select. Wait, hold on. Yeah, okay. Never mind. That color 3 equals color 3 from RGB. We're gonna have to get we want a red color, so let's do that real quick. We're just gonna go like that. Boom. There we go. Simple as that. And then we're gonna remove it after a second. So game debris is the add item. Select I'm gonna do one and a half seconds. So, okay, that's good. And then we're gonna just basically copy this and do the same thing, but for a player. There we go. Select player, and then we're just gonna change this to player. And then we're gonna do this, and then we're just gonna put it on the humanoid root part. Oh wait, we gotta put character before it. Player.character.humanoid root part. And then you can just copy this and put it right there. And then everything else you should, if you want, you can stay the same, or you can change the color for the player. But just for this, I'm just gonna keep it the same, leave it as red. And now we're basically set up. We got everything pretty good. Okay, now let's do some more events. So you're gonna want to change this so we can add more. Let's just do 2 more events for now, and then we're gonna do both of these events will be player. So let's do else if random event equals saved, and then so now what you're gonna do status.value equals. Let's do this one. We'll make it so the player is faster. So let's do this real quick. Play is going to get a speed boost. Oh wait, let's make it random. So random boost equals math.random 1 to 5, and then by random boost exclamation point. There we go. And then now we're gonna actually want to speed them up. So let's get the player.character. Wait, we got the player, right? Yeah. Okay. Player.character. Oh, that was ready to freeze for a second. Player.character.humanoid walk speed equals plus equals random boost. So now they're just gonna get okay, and it's auto saving. There we go. Okay, now it's gonna. I should disable auto save, but now they're gonna get boosted by randomly, so that's cool. And then we're gonna wanna select player and do that. Is there anything else I need to do for this event? I think that's it for that event. And then now we're gonna do another event, and we're just gonna the next one's gonna be a jump boost. Okay, let me make sure. Did I make it? Yeah, okay, I made it 7. So honestly, you can just take most of this code and redo it. So get a jump boost by, and then you're just gonna want to change this part to jump power, and then boom, it's simple as that. Now we got 2 more events, and they're player related. So I'm gonna go into the game and test this real quick, and I'll show you when we get there. Alright, so here we are, and I'm just gonna wait for this event to go by. Okay, that works pretty good. Okay, that event is fixed, and hopefully we get one of the player events, because I want to see if this, make sure. And we got a zombie. Oh, this is great. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I'm literally gonna die. Help. Oh, okay, cool. Dude, I don't think we're gonna be able to get the event. This zombie. Actually, I think I'm gonna be okay. I'm just gonna keep running. Okay, cool. This event does not want to happen for some reason. Like, I just need one of the new events to happen, just to make sure it works properly. I already know all the other events work. Okay, there we go. There we go. And I'm just gonna end it. Wee. And then there we go. Change this back, and then no one won, of course. And then it's just gonna restart it all over again, like that. There you go. And yeah, that's good. All right. So now we're gonna leave the game because we tested what we needed to test. There's some other things I forgot. So what we actually want to do is when the player leaves or dies, we want to remove the plate from the game. So what we could do is right here is, and then we're just gonna go. We're gonna have to want to get the plate first. So let's go ahead and do that. So we're just gonna do select. We're gonna select the select box. Wait, is that what is? Yeah, select box. I forgot. Okay, select box, and then we're gonna do player dot plate value. Hold on, let me make sure I'm doing this right because I don't. Let me just copy that. I'm gonna copy that code right there. And then we're just gonna wait. Where's that? It's right here. Yeah. Okay. Let me just do this because I don't want to get it wrong. There we go. And then we're gonna want to delete it. So what we could do is just do a quarantine real quick and wrap it. Oh wait, oops. We're just gonna wrap it in the function, and now we're just gonna do like wait. Oh, wait. What we could do actually, no, I have a better idea. What we could do is we're just gonna use tween, and we're just gonna tween its transparency to 0, and then we're just gonna delete it after the transparency. So let's go ahead and do that. So firstly, you're gonna wait. We have to make the info. So let's do that info. Actually, I think we can just take the info from the. Where's it at? Scroll back up. Take the info from here. Just copy it, and then come back down and put it right here. We're just gonna call it trans info, and then we're gonna put this to 1 second instead of 0.75. We'll do 2 seconds actually because we don't want it to like. We don't want it to what's it called? We don't want it to be too quickly. There we go. Now we actually have to create the tween. So equals tween service create, and then you want to get the part. So just get this, copy it again, and then you want to get the info, trans info, and then set the transparency. Make sure you put brackets. Transparency is equal to 1. So to do that, and then once it's done, what we could do is we're just gonna do quarantine function. Oh wait, I did that wrong. There we go. So I mean I could do like wait for the do like tween wait, but like I don't want to do that because then it's gonna wait and then it'll take a bit to remove them from the table, and we don't want that. So I'm just gonna do quarantine.wrap function. Make sure to put extra parentheses down here so this quarantine actually runs. And then we're going to do wait 2 seconds, and then we're just gonna destroy the plate. So let's just do copy this again one more time and destroy. And then it should destroy that. And then now we're just gonna take this info, and then we're gonna do the same thing but for when the player dies. So where is that at? It's somewhere. Okay, it's right here. Okay, and then we're just gonna do the same thing and put that right there. Oh yeah, I forgot. We put a lowercase for that. So we're just gonna do that, and now I'm gonna test it and make sure it works. So let me do that real quick. All right, so let's test this out. I'm gonna jump off. As you can see, it turned transparent and it disappeared right after I died, which is exactly what we wanted, and it functions exactly how we want it. So let's go ahead and in the game, and now what we're gonna do is let's add some what's it called, some leader stats. So let's just do that real quick. So we're just gonna game dot players dot player added connect function, and then get the player, and then we're gonna want to make a folder. So folder equals instance dot new folder, and then we're gonna call the folder or parent. We're gonna parent the folder to the player. Oop, I did not mean to do that. To the player, and then name it leader stats, and then we're gonna. Oh wait, no, I was about to do something stupid. And then we're gonna make a new variable and call it wins instance.new int value wins.parent equals folder, and then name it wins. So I'm not gonna do the data store. You guys can do that if you want, but I'm not. So you guys can do that whenever, or figure out how to do it, I would, but I'm just not like what's it called? I don't want to do everything for you. You got to do some things for yourself. So I'm just getting like the basics, and we're just gonna set it up and do like wins and stuff. And we're gonna make another one. Actually no, we'll do that next tutorial. The next tutorial we're gonna have coins and stuff. So we're just gonna take the wins and make sure it's 0 when they spawn. If you're doing a data store, you don't want to set it to 0. Well, you do if they're just starting out, but you know. So now that we have that, we're going to want to go down, back all the way down to where the player wins, which is right here, I think. No, no, no. Oh yeah, I forgot to say, but if your game's like public, make sure you change this to like if it's greater than or equal to 2. I did it for 1 just because it's solo testing, so I have to do it like this. Um, and then down here with if the value is not equal to 0, we're gonna want to do random player. I mean, not random player. Oh, I forgot to do this. So the value, change this to random player because it's just gonna print a no, I mean it's gonna be a number if we leave it at value. I forgot to change that too. And then we're gonna do what are we gonna do? Oh yeah, yeah. Okay, random player leader stats wins value is plus equal 1. So it's just gonna add 1 to their wins. Make sure it's named correctly. Yeah, okay, okay. Now I'm gonna test. We're gonna load into the game and let me just check this out real quick. All right, so as you can see, we have the wins in the variable right there. So if you want to, you can add like the data store and make sure it actually saves and have coins and stuff like that. You know, the basics. And yeah, so that's basically it for this tutorial. Next part, I'm not too sure what we're going to be doing. Probably coins, and maybe like depending on what place you ranked in, depends how much coins you get and stuff like that. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this part. This one was pretty interesting if I do say so myself. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys next time. Bye.